Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hanging indent for your citations in both Word and Google Docs. For the purpose of this exercise, this is the source that I have used. You can see that there's a recommended citation here, so that's what I've grabbed and what we're going to create a hanging indent with. So let's head over to Google Docs. You can see that this is entirely left justified. Each line touches the left margin. A hanging indent will have the first line completely left justified, and any line under that will be indented. So to do that, we will highlight the entire citation, come up here to Format, select Align and Indent, and then select Indentation Options. Under Special Indent, we're going to select Hanging. And this number here indicates the size of the indentation for all the subsequent lines after the first. So this indicates that they will be indented 1/2 inch. We'll click Apply, and then our citation has this hanging indent. The first line is completely touching the left margin, and everything after that is indented that 1/2 inch. So again, that's in Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, Special Indent, and Hanging. So to do the same thing in a Word document, it's a pretty similar process. We're going to highlight the entire citation. We're going to find Paragraph and open that up. In Paragraph, we're going to look for indentation. We're under Special, we're going to select the drop-down and choose Hanging. Then we're going to click OK, and you will see that your citation is now in a hanging indent format. So again, Paragraph, Indentation, Special, and Hanging. Good luck with your work. If you need any help with formatting or writing or citations, please reach out to the SLC and come see us for more support. Bye-bye.